Alright, so how to solve this problem. So run length encoding before you the function should return a W for a rewriting function that takes one of the strings just encode and returns the encoded string. So the strategy for me is, oh yeah, I already discussed it a little bit when I was solving it before. It's my, yeah, I think I can explain this now. So the basic idea is basically storing a temperature, a temp char, and you start it out as, you know, whatever. So it's from your array I, and then you keep a counter value, and basically as you for loop through this, the length of the array, you basically will update temp char. So you'll update temp char, and when I say car, temp char. Basically you want to update it if it's different, if it doesn't equal to this thing. And so if you update it, you know, you have to update with the current value. So you say temp, you basically just run this again. And also you start your counter over at 1. Otherwise you increment the counter and you want to add to the rest. So this is what it'll look like. I clear this. I say in the length of array, and I'm going to do a base case. So if n is equal to 0, if I empty resolve. Also want to understand what to start with. I want to start with the res. So put a comma here and put a comma here, and I'll just have this as an empty string. So if n is equivalent to 0, then we're going to return the res just straight up right now. Now, okay, but what we could do now though, if we're not going to do that, we would just go into this and basically do not that. Oops. We would do if. What am I doing? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to set my temp char equal to array 0. I'm going to set my counter equal to 1. Right, and then I'm going to do for I in range. I'm going to start at 1, go to n, and if temp char is equal to array I, then you just want to increment your counter, and then continue. So if that's not the case, well, I don't know why I use continue, it makes it confusing. Otherwise you run else. In the else statement, what you'll do is you'll update your, well, you have to add your resolve. So you have to update your resolve. That's equal to temp char plus convert the integer into a string, and then update your temp char. And start the counter at 1 again. Once you run through this, you need to make sure you add any final updates. So yeah, this is a good practice problem for Python for implementing some basic features of Python. Just a basic for loop. Definitely a good problem for beginners, so I hope that was helpful.